Welcome to today's topic at Creative Pro, and we'll be talking about um, how to make a perfect script, a 60-second script. So the fact that we're going to be doing short videos does not mean that we're not going to plan the outcome. So we're going to go through the process. Let's go. Yeah, so creating a captivating 60-second script involves focusing on key elements such as compelling hooks, clear messaging, and a strong call to action. Now I would show you a structured outline for a 60-second video script. Okay, I think I made a mistake here. Here's a structured outline for a 60-second video script. Now, when you see this content online, you see YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. Now, I'm not talking about uh, skits. I'm not talking about your comedy skits. I'm not talking about your random content that you just see funny videos of maybe a dog or a cat or somebody just showing their works. I'm talking about content, somebody that's actually talking, saying something meaningful, right? And that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to bring ourselves out there, our personal brand out there. So this is the kind of content that we need the scripts for. And if you can master this process, and if you can apply it in anything that you're doing, any kind of content. First, we have what's called the opening hook. The opening hook lasts between 0 to 10 seconds. It depends on the length of the entire video. If it's going to be a 30 seconds video, is your hook is not going to take this much time. Okay, so because of this class, we are going to just be doing because we're doing 60 seconds, which is 1 minute, we're going to be using this template for our first video. Okay, so you're going to be starting with a captivating statement or question to grab the viewer's attention. We'll do a practical on all of these, right? And this is just an example. So for example, I am creating, or I want to tell you guys about my application, my mobile application. Now it's a time management application, and I want to tell you about it, right? So I'm going to be starting with an opening hook like this. Did you know that you can transform your daily routine in just 1 minute? This is my opening hook, right? And from this sentence alone, I don't think I'm going to take up to 0.10 seconds. 10 seconds rather. I'm not going to take up to that, depending on the kind of content, right? But what I'm saying is your hook should not exceed 10 seconds, right? So we're going to be using this template. Let's go to the next. Next, we have introduction of the problem. Introduction of the problem. Now you're going to briefly introduce the problem or need that your product or service addresses. So now, after giving your opening hook, you are going straight into talking about the problem that you are here for. You're not beating about the bush, right? So what I'm just going to play a scenario here for you guys. So I'm just going to say, now let's go back. Say, did you know that you can transform your daily routine in just 1 minute? Many of us struggle with finding time for ourselves in our busy schedules. But what if you could reclaim that time effortlessly? Now, I've done this in actually less than 20 seconds, right? So the hook, the problem, the need, and then introduction of the solution. So I've stated the hook, I've stated the problem, and then I'm going to state the solution. Now, so I'm going to introduce my product and service or idea as the solution to the problem. I already stated the problem. Now I'm going to give you the solution already. So now I'm going to say our innovative time management app designed to help you maximize every minute of your day with personalized reminders and quick tips. You can boost productivity and find time for what matters most. So I've given you a solution. I've given you um, my idea. I've given you my products. I've even given you features that it has, and I've given you the benefits. You can boost your productivity, and this is another benefit. You can find time for what matters most, right? This is between 20 to 40 seconds of this particular content. And for good next, I have key benefits and features. So this can be squeezed in less than 50 seconds even. So here you're going to highlight the key features and benefits appealing to the viewer's needs or desires. So this is what you want to hear. You need a solution. You need what will help you to manage your time, what will help you to structure your plans for the day and all of that. So I'm going to give you my script for my third sentence is going to be: from customizable alerts to seamless integration with your calendar, our app brings organization to your fingertips. Say goodbye to stress and hello to a more balanced life. So I've given you more benefits and features that our application has and how it works. It's going to work with your calendar. It's going to bring you organization at your fingertips. Say goodbye to this and that. These are just marketing terms, right? And this is all happening between um, 0 to 50 seconds. Let me say under 50 seconds, because of course this is just the structure that we're going to be working with, but this script is not exactly going to even get to 50 seconds, right? But while working with this is the cap. We can't exceed this when we're talking about the key features and benefits, because we still need to create space for the last 10 seconds, which is call to action. So now, after telling you all the problem, giving the solution, I'm not just going to end the video there. I'm going to have to tell you what to do. What can you do next? So what do you do next? Are you going to download the app? Are you going to comment app so that I'll send you the app? What is the call to action? What do I need you to do to get this app? What action do you need to do? So that's what we're talking about. So end with a strong call to action, encouraging viewers to take the next step. So what are you waiting for? Download the app now and start making every second count. Click the link below to get started. Or I can say comment app and I will send you blah 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 blah. We see a lot of that on Instagram right now, right? And this system works every time. Once you're hitting the right target, it works every time. I don't want to add freaking. I would have said it works every freaking time, but you get the message. So now this is the end of the video. No long thing, no much, no beating about the bush. You're just coming straight up with your hook, and then moving forward to the problem and the need, and then you're moving forward to the solution that you're bringing, right? And you are bringing your product, your service, whatever you are telling us about, you're bringing it as the solution, and then you're giving us key benefits and features and functions of it. That is just more like an in-depth knowledge, and then you're not closing it up. You're telling us what to do about our situation, how to get this solution, and that is it. That's the end of your video. So now, in the next lesson, we'll be doing a practical session on how to get how to use these templates. So we'll be creating a 60-second we will be creating a structured script for a 60 seconds video. So yours might not be necessarily as long as 1 minute. It doesn't need to be, but it has to be under 60 seconds. That's the catch, and it has to be structured. Okay, this is the end of this session, and I'll see you in the next one.